Most sales teams send outreach, get a few opens and clicks, maybe a reply or two, and then guess what to do next. But guesswork doesn't scale. You need a system that reads the signals and makes decisions. Not everyone who opens your email is interested. Not every reply is a yes or a no. Some are vague, some are passive, some are objections in disguise. And unless your system can tell the difference, you're wasting time chasing the wrong leads. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI-powered lead scoring to decide who gets followed up, who gets paused, and who gets handed off to sales based entirely on real engagement behavior. Hello everyone, I'm Swarnendu. I help businesses build AI software, SaaS systems, and automated sales workflows that think, adapt, and scale. This is part 5 of our Sales Cadence AI automation series, but you can use what I am showing you here independently as well. We'll build a system that tracks opens, clicks, replies, and bookings, classifies reply tone using GPT, and calculates a dynamic score that tells you who is worth your attention. This isn't just about metrics, it's about turning behavior into decisions. If you want your sales system to prioritize intelligently, subscribe now. All video links are in the description. Lead scoring is often misunderstood as assign a number and sort by it. But in a system like ours, scoring is behavior driven. It's not just about who the lead is, but how they respond. Open 3 emails but never clicked? That's passive interest. Clicked a case study, ignored the CTA? That's curiosity but not intent. Replied with circle back in Q3? That's a warm delay. Booked a call instantly? That's go time. Each of those actions should trigger different decisions. And when you automate scoring with AI, you do not just know who to follow up with. You know when, how, and why. In this part, we'll set up a system that tracks all engagement events per lead, calculates a lead score in real time, uses GPT to classify replies, positive, neutral, objection, etc. Updates the score dynamically as actions unfold, triggers follow-up actions or pauses based on thresholds. This gives your sales team or your automation logic a reliable signal. Who is hot, who is cold, and who is worth a second look. Let's start with the raw events we track. Email opens and clicks, LinkedIn connect and message reads, WhatsApp message views, replies across all channels, and calendar link clicks or bookings. Each of these can be assigned a relative weight. For example, open can be 5+, click can be 10+, reply can be 20+, call booked can be 50+, not interested can be 30-, no action after 5 steps can be 15-. You do not need to overthink the math. What matters is that it's consistent and interpretable. These codes are updated every time a new signal is logged. Now you might be wondering, how do we actually capture all these events? It's all automated, and here is how. For email opens, clicks, and replies, most outbound tools like SmartLead, Instantly, Lemlist, or even custom SMTP servers will track those automatically and expose webhooks or logs. You do not need to monitor them manually. Your system listens and records. For LinkedIn engagement, tools like Phantom Buster or TextAU let you track connection status, DM sends, and sometimes even response behavior. These tools push data into Airtable or Google Sheets, which we connect to our scoring system. If you are sending WhatsApp or SMS, platforms like Twilio or 360 Dialog provide delivery, read, and reply status through APIs and webhooks. It's all syncable. And if you are using tools like Calendly or SavvyCal, You can use their native webhooks or Zapier to capture meeting bookings and pass those into your CRM. Everything feeds into your central system, and from there, lead scores evolve in real time. Now here is where AI adds real value. Not all replies are clear. Some say circle back later, some say not a priority now, others might sound positive but never convert. We use GPT or Claude to classify replies into buckets. Positive, interested, ready to talk. Neutral, not now, vague interest. Negative, no budget, not a fit. Referral, pass to someone else. Objection, ask for more info or pricing. Now here is a prompt example. Classify this sales reply into one of 5 categories and summarize the reasoning into interested, neutral, negative, referral, or objection. This classification feeds directly into the score, and it lets your system react in real time without waiting for human judgment. So let's map how this all connects. Your scoring and classification system includes number 1, signal tracking, email tool logs opens and clicks, CRM logs replies, meeting links log bookings, all sync to Airtable, Notion, or your backend. Number 2, GPT classification agent. Reply is detected, passed to GPT prompt, and tagged with tone and sentiment. Third, scoring engine. Each event updates the lead score. Score is stored into CRM or Airtable. Timestamp, activity log is updated. Number 4, trigger layer. Score more than 50. Notify SDR via Slack or assign to sales. Scores 30 to 49. Enter nurture loop. Score less than 20 after 5 steps. Suppress or archive. Now you can build this workflow using multiple tools. Again, like make.com, perfect for connecting message tools to scoring sheets or CRM. Or N8N, add conditional logic, retries, Slack notification, webhook-based events. Or LangChain and Superbase for custom pipelines that store historical actions. Or maybe CrewAI or AutoGen if you want agents for tracking, scoring, and reacting in sync. And Retool on Notion dashboards for visualization. Now it's not about the scores, it's about making the score useful and keeping it in sync with your outreach logic. So once this is live, your system becomes selective. Instead of follow up with everyone, your sales team gets a shortlist. Leads who showed interest, leads who clicked but didn't reply, leads who need one more nudge. It becomes a signal-based system, one that acts, adapts, and escalates automatically without relying on gut instinct. This is what separates static campaigns from autonomous sales engines. In the final part of this series, part 6, we will close the loop. Now that the system is sending, scoring, and reacting, we'll show how to feed performance data back into GPT, refine prompts, and optimize everything based on results. This is where it becomes self-learning. So guys, this was part 5 of our Sales Cadence AI automation series. You will find links to all parts in the description. If this gave you a new way to think about lead scoring, please subscribe to the channel. We have got one more final part left and it ties everything together. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in part 6.